Hello. What we see is the Toyota Crown. It's a 3.0 twin cam, 1999. Pretty much in good condition. A few things here and there that need to be done. Nothing much as such. We're doing a brief walk around of the twin cam. Good tires, good to go for a few rounds. Here you see. And for valve, let's take a look in the boot. Whoopsie, seems to be stuck, or do I have the wrong key? I've probably gotten the wrong key with me. No, there we go. Yes, I was using the wrong key. And there's another friend of ours who's looking at the Crown as well. Good, decent boot space. Click shut. There we are. Nothing much for a car which is close to pushing 20 years. It's pretty much an immaculate shape. Let's take a quick look on the insides, see what it's got with us. It's done about 144,000 Ks and good, clean, neat interiors, and the old school auto gear, adjustable seats and everything. And even the rear seats are adjustable as well. Oops, sorry, a little trouble with the door button. This refuses to open. There we go. So the rear seats and the backrests can be adjusted as well. You have a nice cup holder and stuff and everything. Everything fits in very nicely and comfortably. You don't want the armrest. Not really recommended for 3 people to sit in, but in case you want to squeeze in, since we are in India, we can do that. Everything nice, detailed, clean. You've got an additional charger here for the passengers in the back seat who want to charge their phones whenever you're on long drives. Plenty of leg room, plenty of headroom, everything neat and clean. Now let's just take a look at the engine, see what beasts inside this. There we go. So it's a twin cam 3.0, lots of power, lots of delay, everything nice. So let's not forget it's 20 years old. Yeah, a little cleanup and needs to be done here and there, but otherwise it's all good. Right, let's quickly start up the engine and listen to the car. There we go, just a elegant whisper. Nothing much. You can barely hear the engine, even though I have the door open. Let me just give it a few revs. There you go. You can actually see the rev, and this is at a high RPM. So it gives a nice. So it's all good, all sweet. There we go. Signing off.